Donald Trump, Zukwanike. Donald Trump, Zukwanike. See, do like this. Relax. Cool down. Chill down. Your pen is not running away. Yeah? Your pen is not running away, yo. Ink is not running away. I promise you, there is not a pen and ink shortage. You don't have to sign everything. You don't have to sign everything. Calm down. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another conversation with Chichi, your front row seat to all things Africa and the diaspora. In a previous episode, we unpacked Executive Order 14161, President Trump's sweeping new travel ban targeting several African nations. But, can you imagine? The story does not end there. The story does not end there. In a new development, the US government has identified 36 more countries, most of them in Africa, that could be added to the ban within 60 days. Nations like Nigeria, Ghana, Ethiopia, Egypt, Cameroon, Uganda, Senegal, and Zimbabwe are now on high alert. The clock is ticking. And if their governments don't submit what's being called remediation plans, their citizens could soon find themselves locked out of the US. That means locked out for business, school, or even family emergencies. And let's be clear, this isn't just about security vetting, it's about power, perception, and precedence. These are countries with deep ties to the US through trade, education, diplomacy, and culture, yet they're being asked to prove themselves worthy of entry, even though no concrete evidence has been shared publicly about what specifically put them on this list. The message that certain passports are more valuable than others, that entire populations can be penalized because of internal administrative systems, many of which are still healing from colonial legacies and underfunded institutions. This isn't just about immigration, it's about dignity, partnership, and the right to move freely in a world we all helped to build. African nations are not passive players in global affairs. We are innovators, allies, storytellers, and contributors. To the governments on this list, now is the time for strategic unity and proactive diplomacy. Don't wait for the axe to fall. Push back with facts, coordination, and bold engagements. And to you, our community, this moment calls for awareness and dialogue. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about this expansion of the travel ban? Have you or someone you know been affected by similar policies? Let me know. Share this video, start the conversation, because silence is what allows these policies to go unchecked. As always, be sure to follow to stay updated on the stories, shifts, and standouts happening in Africa and the diaspora, from breakthroughs to breaking news. I'm Chichi, and this is another conversation. See you in the next one. Bye.